Handmade greeting cards are an excellent way to express your affection and gratitude to your loved ones. These cards usually present eye-catching, imaginative, and unique details adorned with a spectrum of colors. Using the best markers for card making is one effective way to personalize and embellish your cards. Numerous marker packs on the market are intended for creative activities such as coloring, doodling, adorning, writing, and, in particular, card making. Indeed, markers are very simple to use, widely available, and can produce remarkable results on your cards. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best markers for card making from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Enart Card Making Coloring Markers. These marker pens by Enart are available in 24 vivid colors. They're incredibly charming and can help elevate your creative side, especially when it comes to making greeting cards. I love how the dual tips are incredibly easy to use, versatile, and sturdy. The color palette is quite diversified and bold. Truly, the cards I make with these markers are always unique and eye-catching. The ink in these markers dries out easily on the surface and does not leak through any type of paper. It causes no stains and does not smudge on the surface. My workstation is always left neat whenever I use these markers. Whenever I accidentally let the marker touch my clothes, the pigment can be easily removed with water. Coloring with these markers is far more engaging and entertaining. When it comes to the ink quality, it is quite long-lasting and smear-proof. Each pen is utterly unscented and safe to use. Additionally, these markers are water-based and non-toxic, making them an excellent choice for youngsters. With the quality and performance of these card markers, I must say that they are suitable for novice card designers. Apart from that, the vivid hues allow you to display creative and artistic details for your cards. Number 2. Yuho Craft Acrylic Paint Pens. The acrylic paint in these Yuho markers is thick and creamy, hence, they are perfect for coloring and marking cards seamlessly. Even with a single stroke, these markers can produce thick lines, enough to cover large areas. Furthermore, the ink dries quickly on the surface, allowing no chance for the color to leak through the paper. What makes these best markers for cardstock unique is that they are painting markers. This is because it uses acrylic paint, which provides highly pigmented colors that do not easily wear off over time. Moreover, I use a few markers in this set to create artistic lettering and creative details on invitation cards. It is nice how the markers effortlessly produce pigmented lines onto the cards without leaks and smears. Besides that, the colors look beautifully vibrant, making the details colorful and attractive. However, what I did not like about these markers is that they tend to dry out quickly when left uncapped for long periods. Therefore, I must say that this pack of acrylic paint markers is still a great option for showcasing artistic skills and techniques, particularly in card-making projects. Since using these markers is a breeze, both beginners and experienced artists. Number 3. Guang Cards Writing Metallic Marker Pens. The Guang metallic marker pens come in assorted colors and are ideal for professional artists, painters, marker enthusiasts, and kids. All of these have a gleaming metallic sheen with sparkles, making them the best pens for Christmas cards. This is why I find them suitable to use for card-making activities, including wedding invitations. These marker pens stands out for their dual tips. You can use each pen as a 0.7mm extra fine tip on intricate drawings, or as a 2mm medium fine point for broader application. There are several sizes to choose from, so you can use this set for a wide range of applications. Moreover, they can be used for a longer duration without the ink drying out. I always use these markers on glossy papers, but surprisingly, they do not smear even if they come in contact with water. The ink of these markers produces seamless and consistent lines. In comparison to other metallic pens, the permanent and waterproof ink guarantees long-lasting quality that does not bleed through or smear quickly. Nonetheless, I think these markers are ideal for kids and beginners because of their straightforward yet innovative design. In addition to that, these markers can provide a smooth writing experience and a sparkling metallic effect, making them very suitable for various types of cards. Number 4. Vigorfun Card Making Illustration Alcohol Markers. With this assorted paint marker set by Vigorfun, I bet you can unleash endless creative possibilities, especially with your card-making projects. Similar to what I love about versatile markers, these marker pens also have dual tips. It features a wide tip that can be used for thick consistencies and vast coverage, whether you are coloring or writing. The other end has a fine tip, which works great for complex details. The colors in this fast collection feature incredibly vivid hues that dry quickly on the surface. Several markers offer lighter shades that can be used for subtle and soft details. Truly, the versatile design of these pens makes them much easier to use for creative artists, whether they are beginners or experienced ones. The wide spectrum of colors allows artists to play and experiment with various shades. Nonetheless, these paint markers are advisable for artists and enthusiasts who enjoy working with brilliant colors that stand out on their own. With their versatility and long-lasting ink quality, I bet you can embellish your cards with creative and colorful details. Number 5. T-Oil Cards Drawing Self-Outline Markers. These self-outline markers by T-Oil draw in a striking metallic silver with colored borders. The innovative technology that these markers use automatically generates outlines for you to produce a stunning dual-color impact. I find these outline markers so reliable when it comes to designing different kinds of greeting cards. The double lines and shades leave an artistic effect on my card projects, particularly when lettering. Moreover, it has a stylish embellishment to accentuate the loveliest art details of my card projects. With its metallic sheen, I am able to achieve that shiny appearance I want on multiple surfaces without any smudging or fading. You can simply write like a standard pen using these pens without intentionally putting more pressure. It consistently produces precise and clean lines. I can even write extra small letters on my card very neatly. All of these dual-line markers are loaded with xylene-free, non-toxic, and environment-friendly ink in vibrant colors. With that in mind, I consider this set suitable for kids and experienced artists as well. Apart from that, the ink provides a smooth, quick-drying application that does not fade quickly over time. Overall, the innovative and versatile design of these markers can deliver unique and artistic designs that both amateurs, hobbyists, and experienced artists will love. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.